In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a WordPress page and how to add it to your website's navigation menu. With just a few clicks, you can create a page in WordPress with little effort. The length of the post may make the process seem daunting, but it's really not that difficult. Once you do it a few times, you'll get the hang of it. How to create a page in WordPress. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress website's admin area. Once you have done that, click on the Pages menu item. Once you have done that, click on the Pages menu item in the left navigation menu. This will take you to a list of all your pages. To get started adding a new page to your WordPress site, find the Pages menu in the WordPress Dashboard Navigation menu. Click Add New. On this tutorial we are using the default WordPress Gutenberg Block Editor. Once it loads, add your title. Enter your content. And once satisfied, click Publish and now, voila, your page has been successfully added. Congratulations! If you have made a mistake and you need to edit, do not worry, we shall show you how to edit your content in our next video.